Unfortunately, we live in a state that has some pretty harsh laws for crash injury victims, and really victims in general. Our state has a law that you may have heard of called pure contributory negligence. North Carolina is one of only several states left in the country that has this law. And it says that if the victim was in any way at fault for what happened in the incident, then they're entitled to nothing. It's a very difficult law to deal with. It is one of the many reasons, and might be the most important reason in North Carolina, that if you don't have an attorney early on in your case investigating the facts and circumstances around what happened and getting witnesses who don't lose their memory, witnesses with a fresh recollection of what happened, to be able to testify or preserve what they remember early on in the case, so that this contributory negligence problem does not come later in your case, is very important. And because of that contributory negligence law in North Carolina, it is not unusual for a crash victim to be blamed or partially blamed for what happened, and therefore have a insurance carrier or the other side deny the case entirely. And so that is why it is so important that your attorneys early on investigate and collect facts and statements so that that defense cannot come back to haunt you later.